Rob Allen live again at Honeywell Momentum 2015 out in Palm Desert. And I got the one Larry, and I had to make sure I got the other Larry too. So this is Larry Weber, and he's our product, what is your official title?
I'm the general manager for the Honeywell Building Control Systems brand.
I just call him Larry Graham Poobah of product. I think that's pretty befitting. So
More or less.
So we got the LCBS. We learned about that today, and you know, one of the things that we've talked before, Momentum, about it and different things, but we've kind of got in other interviews kind of what LCBS is and why we have it and all that kind of stuff. But one thing that you've touched on is the contractor segmentation and how it makes sense for the various different levels. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, I think that's really important to the offering. You know, when we went out and did research with over 140 different companies, what we found out was very, very apparent. The people who actually service and maintain the light commercial buildings overwhelmingly are contractors who their whole business model is centered around annuities or annual service contracts, right? And that service rate retention is incredibly important for them. I think even more importantly, when we learned about that, was how important it is to be efficient and productive. That helps them maintain their costs, that helps them be profitable on those contracts, and that helps them retain their customers.
It's good stuff. I think it's a great product, and it's the rollout. Tell me again when we can. I know there's not an official release date yet, but what are we kind of shooting for?
Well, as it sits now, the schedule is we're already into controlled field release tests. We've actually had some sites up already working. We're going to be rolling that out kind of in a schedule over the next 4 months. You know, we're going through a fairly large alpha and beta test. We're thinking about upwards of several hundred units on beta test. That's going to allow us enough scale to really test and harden our cloud application and make sure it's solid before we release it to the field.
Well, I love it. I'm excited about it. I know that's something that our market desperately needs. I'm glad that Honeywell's providing it, and we just can't look forward to it. So thank you so much for the interview, and congratulations again, another great conference.
Okay, thanks, Rob. We miss you, Eric.
Thanks so much, Larry.
All right.
Appreciate it.